Let's step into what I'm looking at the market today. I'm seeing some crazy. This is what I want to say. Welcome everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Whatever part of the world you're joining me from. This is Live Keep Ethics, where we have been having a session, one-on-one session, and then it has been intensive and insightful as well. And we have been able to dish out many knowledge and then many stuffs about the market. And today as well, we should be proceeding. But I'm looking at some stuff in the market. Well, before we do some analysis, just ask me whatever appear you want to analyze, and I will be analyzing them one after the other. But before then, I want you to understand something very quick based on what I have understood in the market. And for every news, this should be noted down, sir. You can write it down. For every news, write it down, sir. Write notes. Write it down. Notes. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Note, for every news, write it down. For every news.
Okay.
For every news that comes out heavily, for every heavily news that comes out, for every heavily news that comes out to break any structure, anything like or anything, that's it. To break any structure, any trend line or anything, begin to position yourself for the opposite immediately, because it will definitely do. That is it. Begin to position yourself for the what? For the opposite, because what? It will definitely do. Let me repeat that. Begin to position yourself for the opposite, because what? It will definitely do. If the news came as a buy, I know everything. Begin to what? Position yourself for the sell immediately that will happen later on.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Can you come again from the beginning? Because
for every news,
okay.
For every news at a particular time that comes out, that breaks every structures, that breaks trend line, structures or anything, put it down. Begin to prepare yourself for an immediate opposite direction. That is to say, that is, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is, it became as a buy. Position yourself immediately for sell. Not immediately. Once the sell buy exhausted. If it came as a sell, watch out and wait for the exhaustion of the sell as well at a very key point or key zone or any place, and be able to position yourself for buy, because what? It's a very nice trade. It will definitely do. That's it. It's what? A very nice trade, and it will definitely do. So that is what we want to do today now. Are we done, sir? Have we written down?
Yes, yes, sir.
Awesome. So the intuition is that, see now, we are NZD. The news came out, sell. See resistance. I'm looking for a crazy buy, my brother. I just found it this night. I just see the person to say this one. No worry, you go buy. So I just found it this night because I knew it's a crazy opportunity, man. My brother, it's a crazy opportunity, man. So it should definitely do. It should definitely do. So it's a crazy opportunity, and you definitely do. You definitely do. Why is this thing line coming from? This is useless now. Why am I doing this kind of line? Useless. Where's the point? Useless. Yeah, good. See now. It's coming here. The back bounce here 1, 2, and the third one is to go. It will come back here, this place. Now it's come back to this place. Should come and do what would that be?
Which one, sir?
If this one come back to this place, what would that be? What I told you, what I taught you. What would that be, sir?
If the market
I'm pushing myself to come and buy this market here now. Based on what I told you, sir, the intuition is that it will buy. And this buy is already mature by this point, this place. Okay. Because of what? We have a stop here, we have a stop here, we have a stop here. How many points make a resistance? Or make a support?
2 or more.
Can you see
2 or more?
Those are points, those are resistance zones. It's very, very possible. And it's also what? And our cycle levels. People call it zones, people call it cycle levels. So it's more than like so. So it's yeah. So should be watching for what should be watching for? In our lower type, what should we be looking out for before we can buy? What's it?
Break of structure.
What should we be looking at for at this point now before we can buy? What should we be looking at for? What's the confirmation for us to see before we can buy?
Before we can buy, the sell must exhaust, finish, and push up.
Yeah?
Or it's not breaking the buy structure yet.
Before we can buy, what can we see now? What's the confirmation? I'm saying I want to buy from here. So what will I do in the lower time frame where I can buy? What are the things I would like to look out for?
I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Hey, you know it, sir. What should we look at for before to buy? Hey, once you see something like this in the bigger time frame, what do you do in the lower time frame? You come to the lower time frame and 4 hour time frame and look at it. But before you can enter, you come to what 15 time frame and wait for it to do what? W pattern. That's what I'm waiting for. That is just the question I'm asking. That's it.
Okay.
You have to show a confirmation for you. You have to do that. It's already forming that to be pattern here now. You must go one, show another. If you show another two, another bullish candle, then you can enter for that second one. Bush, then you come back to this place or this point. Either of the two, you just stop here or stop here. And if you stop here, what does that mean? Let me go back and show you. If you stopped here, if you come back here and stopped here, what does that mean? From what I've taught you, what does that mean, sir?
That means if that means the buyers are not more strong in the market, sir.
No. From what we have seen from this structure, from this, if you come back to this place, what does that mean? From what you see, what I see here, they come back to this place and then it's moved down and begin to move down. What does that mean? Come back to this place and begin to move down. What does that mean?
Okay. From head and shoulder.
Hey, come back to this place, this point. This is head and shoulder now. This point too, and then
retest.
That's what I want to hear. It breaks our trend line that been going in. That trend line is that was the confluence, the key stock we saw that we have been buying since. The market has been buying for the past 2 weeks. See now. So in April, not even 2 weeks, 2 months. April, it bought to like June. It was just on Friday that it broke out. Then we should be looking for more of sales this week. And if it doesn't do more, it can stop the sale can stop around here, or stop around here, or stop around here, because this trend is coming down again. Stop around something here, and they begin to do another buy again. So immediately it broke out. I should be waiting for a test. That's why I said I'm waiting for what? A buy. That's the law. This is not law. You have to understand those principles and law, and abide your conferences and not align it. So that's why I said I'm looking for what? A buy on this market. So I'm waiting for a buy. And you see, it breaks the line. If you come back to this place, they continue. If you want to continue in a sell market, you have to do that. Then I'll wait for a what? I found it already. I found already. I'm waiting for just waiting for vision. Either it will, I'm sure it will move by Tokyo for the retest, and then probably by New York, it might do the continuation. Now, maybe by New York or London. So it's already forming a W. So if I see confirmation that it shows a bullish, one bullish comeback, two bullish or three, the third one like this, you should enter. At most, the third one you should be entering at most. That shows that what the bullish is about to the market is longing already. You should long to something around here, do an exhaustion around here, because this trend line, once you expect it, then go for another sell. At this point, I'll take my profit. Then I'll be positioning for sell again at this point. That'll be what in the London session. Because it wants to really do that to the London session. Then by London session or New York, I should be positioning for sell. I'll be selling it out. That is it. Selling it out for signal sell. So that's how it works. Let's go to another play again. Same thing too as well. This are the it touch here, touch here, touch here. But what the news came, I told us why this thing pushed down, and why the news. I told us what was the intuition, sir?
Because the buyers are no more strong in the markets. Like it's not even up to like the previous high.
One another thing.
Like the main trend line. The main trend line is there.
Okay. Which trend line?
The upper one, the last one on the top. Yeah, that one. That one.
3 years ago. That's the another intuition. You have a trend line that is coming from 3 years ago that uphold the buyers from going further. It stopped them from going further. You know this person what? Now what? Now barricade. Now what is it called? Now border. If you connect the course from where? No, every course. Go back to where you're coming from as well. So that's the things that what affected buyers and then push. That's intuition behind that. So this one, so it's even exhausting. You know, this one can even still come to this point. Can even still come to this point, or do an exhaustion a week here, then buy, and then once you do the test buy on this page, then it will say that is it. That is it. So that's what I'm looking for. Also, I'm looking for what a buy also. Based on the law I just gave you, I can't be selling this here market now. Based on the law I just let's go to lower and show it. So be analyzing any pair you want me to analyze. Based on the law I just gave you, you have an exhaustion. Remember that is what massive, just an impulse collection. This is an impulse move. Market is not correcting itself a bit. It has to what? Come back again. It's trying to correct itself now. Just come back to this point again before it can move well. Rather than to continue to do a sell, no matter what, it has to do that strong buy. So it can continue that sell again. So that will be what a retest back to our what? Trend line. Then to continue itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which pair do you want to analyze again?
GBPUSD, sir.
Okay, like this is today with the move. Yes, yeah, perfect. See the sweet moving. See as they move there. Perfect. So this one still what we still what we want to come to this site level. Can you see both of what we have what a bounce here, 2 here, 3 here, then 4th one will come here. So this is might still want to do some little extortion, little exhaustion to this point before it's moved. However, you should be watching it by now. By the time market opens 11 or 12, we should be watching it because that stop is doing, it might move from that point, or it might did an extension. This stop is doing now, but I'm expecting this should be the best way to enter it. Best and sweet way to enter the market. So what we have one exhaustion, one spot here, 3. So it's a good one. This spot is a good one. If you enter here, we have many drawdowns, except market moves. But I doubt if the move will start from there. So can you see this version? So I doubt if the move will start from here. But it's always good to stay awake and be watching it. Yeah. So once you watch, also we are buying as well. It's a buy market as well. So it's a buy market as well. So you can wait for it to come to our stack levels and then show you the blue pattern. Once you open one bullish candle, second bullish candle like this on top of it, push, you buying and stop around here. So this stack level should stop it. Yeah, exact level. This trend line should stop it. So you stop around something at this place and then do exhaustion and then do another W under M or say by either New York or London session as well. So that is for GDP. You should up here, sir. Let me do the last one. Let me do go to JPY. Same thing too as well. Same thing as well. Stop by. It goes bam, stop by, should be buying. A bit can just do is what? But this one do an exhaustion, exhausted to this point. So you can also push for that to this point, and then we'll buy. So position for buy. This is just my. I saw it last week. Before I closed before I closed at the trading room, I knew, come on, a buy is coming. I want to buy. I just got it now. I took my card now, my dollar. I want to buy. I go buy because it was a short trade. So I buy by that. Yes, sir.
But the buyers in this market, they are still a little bit strong.
Who? The buyers, Abi? No,
Yeah,
I've spoken already. The news has checked them. The news has checked. Don't see the strong power. See the strong trend line I'm going through. See your GDP, see all those ones. The strong trend line I've been dealing with. See as they check them. This news is crazy. See this one from April. This trend line has been so maintained for the past 2 months. We maintained this trend until yesterday. Last week Friday. That's the third month, and they have to break. So they are coming in. Once they come here, we test and break this lower low. Come to this point, then we are in the sell market. We should what? From this point, we should
and the market still come back into the trend line. Like, is this still possible?
It's possible. Yeah, sure. Yeah, possible. Can still come back to inside the trend line and see that movement, but I doubt because of what? It's strong, massive one. This one too is coming from about 3 years ago or so. If I'm not mistaken, let me check it. So I will not be of more bias anymore. It will still what be of sale because of this strong cycle, this strong trend line. How many years ago? See now, 2021, same thing as 3 years ago. So I won't be the bias on the bias for buy. It is sell because of that strong, massive breakout. So I'll be pushing more for sell. So we are buying like this. We just because of the opportunity actually. It's not so all the trend is to sell. Because someone waits for market to come here and come and be selling. For me, I'll be making it both sides. I'll be milking it both ways, waiting for the buy to mature. Push any of those pairs that give me the best setup and best SL, I'll take it. That kind of size. Go back. If I can send it for BI, I'll send it for them for BI. So this guy will kill me. All those guys, they like it. They like this thing. They thought they have. I used to look at something like, I don't know how market they work. I see we gain knowledge. You like, I don't know what they solve. I don't even know. They don't.
You just even
be winning all the time. Okay. I'm with you, sir. Hello? I'm in the meeting. Oh. I'll call you back. Yeah, I'm with you, sir. I'll call you back. I'm in the meeting now. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like for someone to trade signals, like receiving signal from someone, like you have to have the knowledge. That would definitely help.
Exactly. That's one of the things that is lacking in those guys. Some of them don't have money at all that could help. So for me, I think our GDPUSD is a good setup for what I'm saying, because the market will still whenever market opens on Sunday like that, it goes against the opposite. So I've always noticed it goes against what the opposite before it starts to move. So this market will still come down to this point. So if I'm to take, I can go for you GDPUSD. I won't go for it. I won't trade it. I won't trade it for the buy. I won't trade it. Because of what is New York is what's Tory session. Remember I told you something about that. But it's a good setup, very good, very sweet setup. But I won't trade it. I would rather prefer to trade NZD or AUDU than to trade GDP because of what? This night too, I'm waking up. I want to trade this line. By that market, I want to trade by 12 or 1. But I won't take GDP. Why? Can you tell me why I'm choosing not to trade GDP for the buy?
Because it's not London session or
Thank you,
New
sir.
York session.
That is it. So I won't watch the movement. It might not really, I struggle to survive, to waste my profits. I don't like them. But they make the doubt until they solve. If you do small move and then but this one will move well for me. I'll be confused. Okay, I need what I need. 30 pips, 40 pips, I need to milk. I'll be able to milk it. So that is it. Let's move to. So I will rather be looking for this one or I should go to JPY. Either I trade NZD because NZD opens by 11 p.m. or I will do as well. Either I trade these two of them. It's also good. Let me see. It's a good setup. It's a good setup. So I did two of them, but in say go still push and come to this spot before you see all of them pushes and then come to around this. Let me draw it down. Let me show you. See their zones. Can you see? Can you see? So before you can move, you has to push to this point too. As I said, GDP will also push downward break. So I'm setting a down move. I think market opens by 11. By 11, so I'm setting a down move. So if I can take it, you have to come here and show me what's the pattern in the what in the 15-minute time frame. Then I can launch. Either I'm taking either of those two. I'm not taking, but for sure, I'm not taking EURUSD.
So, sir, you take your trade with our 15 minutes time frame, sir.
Yes, for confirmation now. For you to show the pattern, you have to show when you can launch. Yeah, so let's go to JPY. Go to JPY.
More.
So let's go to JPY.
Like, sir, what I'm seeing, what
are you seeing,
with my
sir?
own,
Okay.
like GBPUSD.
Okay.
Go to GBPUSD, sir. I want to show you something there.
Okay.
Daily time frame, sir.
Okay.
Swipe to the left a bit. Yes, sir. I can see a very good head and shoulder there. I don't know. Well, it's not perfect, but I can see it.
Okay. It has passed now. There's no point.
No, not that one. Not that one.
Which one? I said that passed. You're saying head and shoulder, right? That's passed now.
Shrink the screen a bit, sir. Okay. It's okay like that, sir.
What's that? What are you trying to point to something?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm trying to point something out.
What's that?
The head. I can see one head like on the first side that touched the trend line. The trend
Okay, you
line
want to identify head and shoulder what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
say
sir.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the second one?
Shoulder should be around the second point. The second point that touches.
This one, Abby, or this one?
No, not that one. Not that one. To the left.
This one.
It's the shoulder is very wide.
This one.
No, not that one.
This one.
Not that. Yes, yes.
Okay, this one and
there,
this one. Yeah, it's also good. Yeah. So good. If you have said this, the shoulder is not here, so that would have been invalid. But if you have said this, then it's fine. Yeah, it is wide one. It's fine. Yeah, right. All right. So that's also that confirmation that make it to sell. That's the things you look out for. More confirmations that you look out for.
Mm-hmm. On daily time frame.
So I start mine from daily time frame. But sometimes if I need to draw a trend line, I go to weekly. Sometimes if I see that the trend line is still extending, I need to go to weekly and I do that. So let's go to JPY. I'll be looking at taking JPY or other stuff before I do this thing also. Let's check in JPY. It's also a good setup. Fine, good setup. First bounce, second bounce, third bounce. The first you come. If you come here, market will what? Extend to this point and what? Buy as well. Buy to this point and sell. That is it. Same thing as what? Your JPY, your USD. What is sweet market, guys? What is sweet market? Chai. Same thing as this one too. Same thing as this one too. Same thing as this one too. I don't like the setup. If you come here and what possible buy. So I'm looking for a short buy. Overall, it's still a sell market. The M pattern was shown here. The M pattern was also printed here, so it's still a sell market. It might want to recall double this here, come back to this point, then buy, then sell. It's also still a sell market, but if you buy at the opening of what? At the opening of the market. I say I truly join my trend line or the next sell is coming. So I'm expecting the market to come somewhere around for the next sell. And I sell. So let's go to this one as well. Check it out. I see this one too. This one is not a good setup. See the way it's doing. See the way it's confused. See what it's doing. It's confused. See the way it's doing. See the way it's doing. I'll wait for it to break that trend line. We can come back to this point, then we can buy. Otherwise, I won't take it. Don't check it. Maybe I saw I just need. See what it's doing. Not clear. So he's struggling. Anything he's struggling, just you get he's struggling. So he's trying to struggle from top of the market ahead. So it's not someone is not leading. Just like you trying to carry Arsenal Chelsea. Arsenal must is leading already. So you are clear that this one 3-1, 5-1, they will win now. So you can hear. So when they are still playing, it's not clear. I mean, it's not clear. It's not clear. So you go to I can actually analyze it. I'll go to the website and let's check it out. But I just don't. But JPY for it, if I want to trade JPY, AUDU and the NZD, they are very good setup with minimal stop. Minimal stop. This one also should come here and then what do what? Head and shoulder, then buy. So also a good one, perfect. JPY, GBPJPY is also sweet. I can take it. Do you see that I didn't even do anything? What am I seeing? Market structure and what? Market and packet and price action. Do you notice? Let's know the buy. Do you notice? Yes, I didn't even. Do you notice? Yes. I didn't even go for that. Do you notice? When I saw it, just to what extent to this point? Come to this point. I can see your edge. I see shoulder here. Then I'm also there to buy and point and come back to this to my trend line. Sell. This trend line I want to sell it here. That's all. See the bounce and that bounce shoulder. So and that bounce for shoulder. What is it? What's your other hand market structure? And you do my brother, you are good. So it's also a good one. Let's go to this. Consider I'm just looking at it like this. I'm not able to do anything. This also should extend down to this point, then buy. That's it. Should extend down because what we have the first bounce here, second bounce here, you should come down, come and do a third bounce here, then buy. That's all. So I've analyzed all the pairs for you, sir. So you should be able to choose which one you want to trade. If you want to make money with me, you can. For me, I funded and I'm ready to launch. But I won't take anything that's not their session. I'll prefer to take Tokyo. I'll look for Tokyo or NZD because NZD will be my level. So him and Tokyo, they always line together. So I will either trade NZD or AUD. Either the three of them, AUD, NZD, or JPY. So anyway, I'll trade them. Then take my profit by around 2 or 3. Then position myself again by New York and then London for sell. That's all. Can you see that? So this one, okay, possibly. What's it doing? Let me see. What is this one doing? Some people don't understand. I'm not even doing much analysis. I'm just look at it and then I just don't know what to solve. This one will come up again, then say, let's go into it. Let me see. Let me show you how it will come up. I've seen it. I don't know. Can you see? So you should probably, if I want to come, let me see. So will come up. No, let me see. It will come up, come to this point to do what? Head and shoulder, then sell. Or you have to watch this one very closely. Let's check it out on your paper. Come up here, do head and shoulder here, double top here. On this way, you need to sell. You should present for sell. Otherwise, if it doesn't come up, you come down here, then you should be looking to buy. And buy at this point. So this is what indecision market. That's what I say sometimes. This is what when you mean that you are still waiting in the market. You have not entered yet. That's what it means. These are indecision. You either wait for someone and you do exhaustion, just like this, and then come and show some continuation of the pattern around this cycle level. Then you can buy to this point. Then to say at the end, there is a trend line also coming from down. That's it. Or what? It goes then from there itself. So it's no decision on this market. You have to wait and see the reaction of wherever it's going to first. So that's how it's trade. So that is the trade, guys. This is the last one. So that is it. That is that for tonight. I'm feeling exhausted already. So that's that for tonight, guys. For me, I'm going for either of those 3 pairs I told you. This one as well. So the market structure. The market structure. Wait for it to come here, then you can buy. Or come here, then you can sell. That's how to trade. So that's good, guys. Any question? Any question?
No, sir.
Any issue?
No, sir.
To this pen line, then buy. Or come back to this pen line. No, sir. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Hope you understand the analysis we did today, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So glad. I think I will have to go with this one. Go with this one or this. No, I will do. Go with this one or this. By time market. Go with this. The market will be some come back to this one. Go with this one. So here. So it's when and then the market still buy. I'll just go with this. Just go with this. See this. I'll just go with this. I'll go with this. So for me, I was telling this. I'll give you updates. Probably I'm able to trade, able to call and make a class. Within the week, I'll show you. Of course, I'll be making this market for sure. Buy for sure. When it comes here, do that. I'll make it part of the space. I'll take this market. This one. Why am I taking it? Because of what is a trend market, the buy market. I'm following the trend, and what is already doing one top, 1, 2, 2, 3, and it's the 4th one. This is where the last this one turn from there, turn to become what support here and to buy. That's all. So I'll be taking this. I mean, this is my position here. Once I'm done, I'll enter the trading room. I'll wait for this. Should come back to this point, then come back. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll catch you up again next week. And then same time, same venue, same hour. I really appreciate everybody today. You can see that I went sounded so well. I feel sorry, kind of exhausted. You can see that from my voice. So that is it, guys. So we meet up again. We meet up again next week, same time. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. And then don't forget to always do your assignment, do your homework. It's all about marrying the chat. Stop marrying your wife for now. Give your wife space. Give us space. Give us space. Just give us some pure space, guys. Just give us some pure space, and then what? Let's marry the chat. Let's marry the chat for the few times of our life. Let's marry the chat and let's dive into the chat. Stay with it. Get yourself attached to it and all of that. And I want to appreciate everybody for coming today. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful night's rest. Bye for now. Catch you another time. Goodbye. Peace out, guys.